Good morning, dear student. This is your maths teacher Nazia. Our today's maths topic is addition for the class 3rd. But before moving towards the topic, let's have a quick review of its content as shown here. Title of the unit: Addition. Content: adding and sum. Addition without carrying. Addition with carrying. Properties of addition. Word problems. Assessment. As in your previous classes, you all have learned how to add 2 or more 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. We shall now extend the same idea and add 2 4-digit numbers. Now, our first topic is addend and sum. When 2 or more numbers are added, each of the number to be added is known as an addend, and the result obtained after addition is called the sum. Addition without carrying. How to add? Step 1. Arrange the digits of the given number in columns of thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Step 2. Add column wise. Let's discuss it with the help of an example. Here our number is add 5461 and 2137. Firstly, we will arrange the given number in form of column as our number is 5461 and 2137. We will always start from the place of ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We will always start from here, like 1, 6, 4, 5. We will follow the same step 2 in the another number, 7, 3, 1, 2. And we will apply the sign of plus. 7 plus 1, which is equals to 8, 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9, 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5, 5 plus 2, which is equals to 7. Now, our sum is 7598. Here, these both numbers are known as addend, as I discussed above, and their result is known as sum. These are addend and this is sum. I hope it will be clear to you. Let's discuss it with the help of one more example as given in your book. Here it is already arranged in form of columns. Here we will start from the place of ones, then move towards thousand, like 2 plus 5, which is equals to 7, 0 plus 7, which is equals to 7, 3 plus 4, which is equals to 7, 6 plus 2, which is equals to 8. Now, the result of these two addend is called sum. Okay, now we are moving towards our next topic, which is addition with carrying. Let's discuss it with the help of an example. Here we have to add 4378 and 3764. First of all, we will arrange the given number in form of column as here I had done. Here at the place of ones, we will write these number. At the place of tens, we will write this number, and at the place of 100 we will write 3, and at the place of 1000 we will write 4. Similarly, in this number also, when we will add this number, we will get 8 plus 4, which is equals to 12. Here we will write 2, 1 will be carry. 1 carry plus 7 which is equals to 8, 8 plus 6 which is equals to 14. Here we will write 4, 1 carry plus 3 which is equals to 4, 4 plus 7 which is equals to 11. We will write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 carry plus 4 plus 3 means 8. And again these are known as addend and the result sum. Now let's make it more clear with the help of one more example as given in your book. Again we will start from the place of ones. 9 plus 1 which is equals to 10. We will write 0 here. 1 carry. 1 carry plus 8 which is equals to 9 plus 1. Again 10. 1 carry. 1 carry plus 9 which is equals to 10 plus 1 which is equals to 11. 1 carry. 1 carry plus 7 plus 1 which is equals to 9. Now I hope it will be clear to you. Our next topic is properties of addition. First, order property or commutative property for addition. Find the sum 3265 plus 2678. Also find the sum 2678 plus 3265. First of all, we will arrange that given number in form of column. Here, when we will arrange them, we will get 5943 after adding. And when we will arrange the given number and we will add, we will get 5943. It means 3265 plus 2678 equals to 5943 and 2678 plus 3265 is also equal to 5943, which means 3265 plus 2678 equals to 2678 plus 3265. It means the sum of two numbers does not change the value when the order of the addend is changed. This is called order property or commutative property for addition of numbers. Moving towards our next property. Second, grouping property or associative property for addition. Find the sum of 1368 plus 2452 bracket close plus 1073. Also find the sum 1368 plus within a bracket 2452 plus 1073 bracket close. What do you conclude? We have the same numbers 1368 plus 2452 which is equals to 3820. When we will arrange the given number, their sum will come like 3822. Again, we will move towards our next sum, which is 2452 plus 1073, which is equals to 352. Here, we will arrange the given number in form of chart. Now, we get that when we are adding this number by altering their orders, we are getting the same numbers. It means the sum of three or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. This is also known as grouping or associative property for addition of numbers. I hope it will be clear to you. Moving towards our next property. Third, additive property for 0. Find the sum 1674 plus 0 and 0 plus 1674. Firstly, we will arrange the given number in form of chart and we get 4 plus 0 which is equals to 4, 7, 6, 1. As this place there is no number, So we will write the number directly. As in this one, 0 plus 4, which is equals to 4. Again, there is no digit, so we'll directly write the number. Here also, we will directly write the number like this also. From here, we have 1674 plus 0, which is equals to 1674, and 0 plus 1674, which is equals to 1674. It means whenever we will add something in 0, we will get the same number. Okay, I think it will be clear to you. This is called the additive property of 0. Now here are some homework for you. Try to solve it and practice it. And assessment to evaluate yourself. That's all for today. Thank you.